Hi, welcome to this short tutorials. In this video, I will discuss how you can fix the issue of the error. Please wait a few minutes before you try again Instagram. So if you are facing this type of the error on the Instagram application, you can have different problems like maybe you are enter the wrong password many times, or the glitch from the Instagram server, or third option is that maybe your Wi-Fi or the data connection is erroring or not so strong. So how you can basically fix it? If you have entered the wrong password many times, you have to wait for enter the password again in few hours. And if you have issue, if you are feeling that this is the glitch from the Instagram, you can simply wait for it. Instagram resolves this issue. And other way is that you can check, maybe your Wi-Fi or the data connection is not so strong, so wait for it to your Wi-Fi connection to resolve it. So this is the reason, and this is the ways you can fix this issue. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, ask me in comment section. Thank you.